Dancer Limpopo boy, whose real name is Madume Toka, has pleaded with the public not to engage or share a video where he is seen Engunu with an alleged married woman. Limpopo Boy's management team has released a statement this Sunday confirming that a private video allegedly showing the artist Engunu with a woman is circulating on social media without his consent, you guys. In a public statement, management described the distribution of the video as an unlawful violation of privacy and said legal and cybersecurity experts have been engaging to trace the source and remove the content from online platforms. The public has been urged not to share or download the material. You guys, now the video was, of course, shared on his Instagram stories and later it was removed. It seemed like someone had hacked his social media. You guys, in a statement which they released, reads as follows. The statement reads, "We are aware of the unauthorized and malicious distribution of private video content linked to Limpopo boy Robert Madume Toka. This content was stolen without consent and shared entirely without authorization. This is a severe violation of privacy and a criminal matter. We are in process of engaging cyber security expert to investigate the source of this breach. We are actively working with legal teams and hosting platforms to ensure the immediate removal of these links and files. We request that the public to assist by refraining from sharing, downloading or interacting with these links, as distributing the material is unlawful and causes harm. Calling out all cybersecurity experts to assist, to contact his manager," and then they shared the number of the manager. "No further comments will be made at this time to protect the integrity of our artists. Therefore, your support and understanding would be greatly appreciated." You guys, mo video that was shared, it is seen he is taking Dinepe and Azap Ardiaparo at all. It is said that the lady in the video is allegedly a married woman. What do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it. I'll definitely see you in the next video.